I got my start in applied behavior analysis by going to a 2-day workshop given by Vincent Carbone, who's one of the presenters here, and he inspired me and wowed me and changed my life in terms of showing me the profound power of applied behavior analysis and the analysis of verbal behavior. So it's amazing to be at the conference with him, who got me my start in the field. After seeing that workshop, I went on to work with Mark Sundberg and spent a 1.5 years working with him, who taught me a ton about verbal behavior and ABA, so it's wonderful to be at the conference with him.
I really do credit two of the main speakers, Mark Sundberg and Dr. Vince Carbone. Both have been fortunate enough to benefit from their direct teaching.
Vince Carbone, Mark Sundberg, and Pat McGreevy are all people who have mentioned me in various points in my career, and Francesca Di Espinosa, again, actually have been applying much of her work to my social skills group. So I was really excited to be on board with this group of people.